Very good morning, dear children. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jadeshwar, Bharuch. So, this is your English class, children, and we'll start with the revision. So, as you all are aware that your periodic test is upcoming in the month of August, in the first week of August. So, I hope you all are getting prepared for the same, and we'll be giving the online test through the Google form. So children, will begin with the first revision class, and this is the revision for the periodic test 1, and the lesson and the poem which we are going to do today is The Fun They Had and the Road Not Taken. So I'll be sending you the Google form questionnaire. Once you open the form, this is how you are going to get the form. Okay, so when you open the form, the first thing which you will see is revision for periodic test 1, and you can see over here in the left hand corner with red it is written required with a star. So required means you have to attend that question compulsorily. Until and unless you do not answer that, you cannot move to the next page. Okay, there are 5 pages, 1 to 5 you can see on the screen. It's written page 1 to 5. So you have to complete each and every question which is given on page number 1 to 5. Now the first page you will see that it's given full name of the student with class. So you have to write your full name with class, the class you are studying in. Okay, then only you can go to the next page by clicking on the next button. Okay, now let's move how you are going to write your full name with class. So this is how you are going to write your name: Sunita Patnaik, standard 9. So this is my name and I have written as standard 9. Okay, so you are going to write your own name with standard. Then you will click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you will move to the next page, that is page 2. Now here you can see we will start with the question answers. Now answer the following questions. Now these are all multiple choice questions, children. You will be getting the question and you will be getting the options. Now when you get the options, you need to tick in the correct option. You cannot write anything over here. You are only, except for your name and class, you are not going to write anything. You are only going to tick in the correct option. Okay, now how old are Margie and Tommy? So the answer is Margie is a girl of 11 years and Tommy is 13 years old. So there are 2 options given over here. You are going to read the 2 options very carefully and write the answer accordingly. Write the answer means you need to tick in the correct option. Okay, now once you do that, you will get on page 1, on page 2, you will get certain questions you have to attend accordingly. Now the next question is, what do you think a telebook is? So there are 2 options given over here. A telebook is displayed on the television screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. And the next option is, a telebook is displayed on the computer screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the second one. So you are going to put a tick against the second option. So that depends on you, children. So you have to think about the answer and then you have to put a tick in the correct option. Okay, then the next one, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Okay, so Margie learned geography and mathematics, Tommy learned history and mathematics. Second option is Margie learned history and mathematics, Tommy learned geography and mathematics. So you have to tick in the correct option. Okay, so same way you will be getting the other questions and you need to put a tick against the correct option. So this is again, here is the next question. So according to that, you have to read the question and you have to write the answer. all the questions have been given, and based on the question number of questions you will be getting the points, that is you will get the marks. So now you will go to the next page by clicking on the next. Suppose you want to check your answer again, you have to correct your answer, and then you need to go to back and then do it. But you are not going to leave the page. Once you leave the page, then you cannot attempt the question again, the test again, for the periodic test which is scheduled in the month of August. Now this is the revision, so I'll be keeping the window open, the responses open. I'll be receiving the responses as many times you do it, but during the test only the timing the timing we have given, in that given timing you need to complete the paper. And once you open the Google form, you are going to complete it completely. You are not going to attempt certain questions and then move out of the page and then again try to complete the test, because this is only one attempt. The test you are going to give in one attempt, and you have to complete the paper throughout once. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to you all. Again I'm repeating, revision, we have kept the windows open so you can attempt the paper as many times you want, but the test paper only once you can attempt. You cannot attempt twice. Whatever might be the reason, you won't be able to attempt the questions twice. Clear, children? Okay, so let's move to the next page. So here the next page, you can see here, you saw there are two options, so I have put a tick against the correct option. So we'll wait and see at the end whether I have got correct or not. And how you will come to know at the end, when you submit the paper you will get your score, and when you get the score, then you will also come to know which are the answers right you have got and which is the wrong answer. And if you have got anything wrong, you will also get the answer for the same. Okay, so that there is no confusion. Okay, now there are this is the next page. If I don't go to Anu's party, now this is you need to complete the following conditional sentences using the correct form of the verb. Now if I don't go to Anu's party, then you need to complete the sentence with the correct form of verb. Okay, there will be two options. There are the options which you will be getting in a different style for each and every question, so you need to attempt the question properly, read the question properly, and tick in the correct option accordingly. But the options which will be giving will be in different styles, so you need to be careful about it. Okay, children, so you can see this is the drop down options. So these are the two options given. Now whichever is the correct answer, you have to put it select the answer. You cannot put tick over there, you have to select. Once you select, then it will put a tick automatically. Okay, now first I tried to do the second question. You can see here it's written in red, and then I did not attempt the first one, but then I started going to this next one, that is the second. So this is what they write. This is a required question. So until and unless I complete this, I cannot again move to the first one. That means once you complete all the top questions, the first questions, then only you can go to the next question. But if you feel that let me complete the last question and then I will go and do the second or third one, so you won't be able to do that. Okay, so you have to complete the first question, then only you can move to the second question or to the last question. Okay, then if you click on the next page, you will get the next page. So this is how you will get the display things, children. So here I have selected the first option, the first question option I have selected. Now when I click on the second, then I will get the next two options. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it. Then how Now after you finish that, you have to move to the next page. Then you will get the next question. Now use these adverbs to fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks in the sentences below. Okay, now you have to select the options again. You can see this is again different style of options which you are getting. So this is how you will be getting the paper. Now we all dash when we are tired or hungry. Different or differently, you have to give the correct adverb. Okay, so differently is the correct option, so I have selected over here. Fine, children. So these are, you have to use the adverbs to fill in the blanks in the sentences given below. So after this you have to go to the next page. Again you can see this is again a different kind of different style of options you are getting. Now you have to give the word meanings. Please do remember, children, you need to learn all the word meanings, and you will be getting the option also for the same, and you have to put a tick against the correct option. Okay, or it can be of any styles which I have shown just now. So you have to be very well prepared with your content, that is your lessons. Okay, you need to learn everything. Now give the word meanings. Now crinkly, there are like if there are 4 questions, there will be 4 options given. When you scroll the page, when you open the Google form, that time you will see there will be 4 options given. So accordingly you need to put a tick against the correct option, children. So this is how your Google form will be displaying the questions. Okay, now you will go to the next page. Now here you need to watch the video and answer the questions accordingly. Now here I'll be showing I have sent a video. You need to go through the video, watch the video and listen to the video carefully, and based on that there will be certain questions and you have to solve the questions accordingly. Okay, so you can, I'll be sending you small videos so that you can open it and you can listen to it and watch it. Okay, now based on that you will be getting the questions based on the poem or based on the story, whatever it is. I'll be sending a small video clip and you will be watching it, open it and watch it, and then you have to attempt the questions and you will be getting the marks accordingly. Now you can see in the right hand corner the points have been displayed. These are the points, that means these are the marks you will be getting. So this is how you will be getting the question. 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down once as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. Now this is the stanza I have given you, and based on that you will be getting the questions. So at which point had the poet reached, and the options given are diverged, and then so this is how you are going to attempt the options which is given. Now you can see here there are 3 options given. Here are the 3 options and here are the 3 options given. So whichever is the correct option, you need to put a tick against the correct option. Why was the traveler feeling sorry? So the answer is standing at a point where 2 roads diverged in the yellow route. So this is what I have selected. So you can select the answer accordingly and then you will get the score. Then you have to give the opposite to met at a point from the passage. So accordingly you have to do it, children. Now here it's given give the word meanings. Now when I have given here give the word meanings, now I have also given you the let me scroll these pages for you. So this is the Google forms which we have done already. These pages we have done. So let's move ahead. So this is the question which I just discussed with you, and we have given the word meanings accordingly, like you have to read and you have to put a tick against the correct option. So the word meanings which I have asked is hence, diverse, wanted, where. So the options given are here: had not been used, separated and took a different direction. So this is the options which we have got, and accordingly you are going to complete it. Now this question requires one response per row. So one response you need to click, you need to select for per row. So these are the rows and these are the columns. Okay, these are the columns, like hence, diverge, wanted, where are the rows, and here had not been used, separated and took a different direction are the columns. Now this is what I have selected. My answer I have selected hence means here, diverged means separated and took a different direction, wanted where means had not been used. So this is what I have selected. Now after this I have to submit. Once I submit, then I will get this page. So I had questions given from page 1 till page 5. I have attempted all the questions. Now this is the last page after submission, after submitting the answers. Once I submit, then I'll get this page. Now here you can see that it's written your response has been recorded. That means the teacher will get the teacher has got the response. That means she has got all my answers over there, and she has also got what is my score, and this is your score, view score. That means you can immediately see how many marks you have got. Okay children, so let's see how much did I get. So this is what is my score is going to show. This is my answer sheet. Okay, so total points which I have got is 16 out of 25. So I had attempted all the questions, which is compulsory. Until and unless I did not complete, I could not complete move out of the Google form or the questionnaire. So I have completed each and every question. That is 25 questions which were given. But in the test children, you will be getting the periodic test will be of 50 marks. You will be getting questions, like you will be getting 50 questions. That depends on the marks allocation of the marks. Like you will be getting 30 questions of 1 mark each, and you will be getting 10 questions 2 marks each. So overall you will be getting how many questions? Then 40 questions you will be getting. That again depends. Totally you will be getting the paper of 50 marks. That you should remember. Okay, so you have to attempt the paper of 50 marks. Now this is what my score is, 16 out of 25. Now you can see this is my full name I had written with standard, and then these are the question. Answer the following questions. I have got 5 out of 6 points. That means I got 5 answers correct. 1 answer was wrong. Okay, so this is how my answers will be shown over here. Now how old are Margie and Tommy? I had to put a tick on Margie is a little girl of 11 years and Tommy is of 13-year-old. So this is the correct answer. So they have put a tick with green. Okay, and I've got 1 out of 1. So this is how you're going to get. Now this is the next question. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? So I had put a tick against. Margie learned history and mathematics. Tommy learned geography and mathematics. So this is the wrong answer. So you can see over here in the black box, you can see a white tick. So that was done by me. And the teacher, the Google form, that the answer which was given by the teacher is the first one. So this was the wrong answer. So that is why I have got a cross with red. So for that reason I have got 0 out of 1. Okay, so this is how your paper is going to show you the answer sheet. The Google form is going to show you your answer sheet also. Okay, so this is the thing you will be getting. So children, this is how your paper you have to give. And this will be for all the subjects I'm talking about. This will be for all the subjects, that is English, Hindi, Maths, then SST, and then you have your computer and science. Okay, all these papers you'll be getting through Google form, and it will be of 50 marks. Again, I'm giving you a gentle reminder, children, you have to complete this paper only in one attempt. You are not going to move out of this page once you open this page during the periodic test. Okay, and the timing also we have already given to you all. It is given in the circular. You can go through the circular, you can see your timetable and the portion which has been given, and the timings also has been given. So accordingly you need to complete your paper. Okay, now apart from that, you will be getting also the subject enrichment activities which you need to complete, the projects or the activities which you will be getting. So that will be of 10 marks. So you have to submit it on time, that is by 14th of August. And if you do late submission, you will get marks, less marks for the submission. So you will be getting 10 marks for your subject enrichment, and you will be getting 10 marks for your submission work. So whether it is an revision Google Forms, or the revision worksheets which we are sending it to you, or any project or activities we are asking you. So these are the submission part. So this you have to submit on time, and if you submit it before time, that's up to you, but then on time you have to submit the dates which has been given. If you submit it after the dates which has been given, then you will get marks accordingly. So you need to be careful, you need to be vigilant, and please read the circulars which has been given, or the videos which are being sent to your through your teachers, because in the videos they are mentioning how you have to do the project, what they want, and which is the date given, and the question, everything is given in those videos. So I would request each one of you to please go through the videos and listen to what instruction your teachers are giving. Okay, and act accordingly. So your periodic test will be of 50 marks, and it will be brought down to again like 5 marks, and then you will be doing your projects, that is some subject enrichment activities, which will be of 10 marks and which will be again brought down to 5 marks. Then you are going to do the book submission means all the project submission, Google form submission, worksheet submission on time, for which you will be getting 10 marks, and that will be again brought down to 5 marks. So this is how you are going to complete your paper, children. So periodic test, kindly remember, and you have to attempt in the timings which has been given. So hope all this is very clear to you all, children, and you have understood what I have told just now. So please take care of your children and be safe at home. Do not move out of your house until and unless it is an emergency, and complete all the tasks that has been given to you all at home. Okay, and please complete it with the materials which are available at home. You are not going to go out for getting anything from out. Okay, now the computer books are also available in the school. You are requested to kindly collect it from the school as soon as possible. You can ask your parents to come and take it. And those who are having any queries regarding the same, regarding your computer books or any other things, ask your parents to give a call on my number or on the school's number, and you will be getting the answers accordingly. Your queries will be cleared. So hope this is clear to all of you, children. Thank you, and we'll end the class over here. Bye bye. Please take care. Bye, children.